What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we are going to be talking and breaking down 24K markets. Now if you guys are stopping into the channel for the very first time, show me some love, hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and comment below on what you guys think. Now another one bites the dust. This time it's 24K markets officially shutting down operations. Now if you've been with them trading, or even if you just had an account sitting open, now is the time to take action and take it seriously. Now what you need to know, guys, is the platform has announced it will be disabling trading services. If you go to read more, it's disabling trading services and closing out all open positions, removing deposits entirely in the coming weeks. Now these shutdowns can happen very, very fast. Now, so if you've got an open trade or funds just sitting there in the platform, don't wait, right? Log in, close out any positions, and begin withdrawing your funds in this process immediately. Traders tend to hesitate and often get caught up in the mess, right? I've seen it just so many times over and over and over again. Now, you might be asking yourself, man, what is really going on? Because first there was KOT Forex, right? KOT Forex was shut down, and now 24K markets. But it's interesting, right? Because if you go to KOT Forex and, if you go back here, you could see that their important information is basically the same as 24K markets, right? Because here's the whole situation, guys. Both of these are created through the same parent company using the same technology. What that means is that company updates policies, facing pressure, or just ultimately pulls the plug. Any broker under that company is basically at risk. Now, if these brokers fail to comply with any updates, rules, regulations, or platform agreements, they can basically be shut down immediately. So just like what we're seeing now. So 24K markets and KOT Forex, look at this, they're exactly the same. If you bounce back and forth, they're exactly the same. So this can happen, right? This isn't just a one-off event. It's part of a bigger pattern we are basically seeing across offshore brokers in the past few months. But that doesn't mean you shouldn't trade, right? You just have to find the right broker. So again, the real question is, what broker are you going to use next? And here's what I recommend. It is up to you guys. You guys don't have to do, you guys can do whatever you want. But here's what I recommend. I've moved all my money, everything over to Gates FX. And here's the best part, right? The best part is if you sign up using my referral link below this YouTube video, you get a 100% deposit bonus, right? So if you deposit $500, right, and you're going to be trading with $1,000 instantly. So it's the easiest way to boost your capital without taking the extra risk. Now it says right here, right? It literally says right here that this is a broker from the future. Now trade smarter with my favorite broker. And if you guys go to my link, you can actually see my story. You can watch the video of my story, how I basically started trading completely broke, over $127,000 in debt from my college basically screwing me over, and basically how I've reached all my financial goals. I've just took control over my future. So you can go check everything out here and why to choose Gates FX. And again, if you sign up with my link, you get a 100% deposit bonus, and also you can choose up to $1,000 to $1,000 leverage. Now, one thing I want to point out again, guys. You must use my link to obviously get the bonus. Now, why use Gates FX out of all the brokers out there, right? Obviously, they support US traders with no restrictions. That is where we are heading in the future, right? We are heading to what brokers are going to be good for US citizens, right? Most people watching this are probably US citizens. So most brokers didn't even offer 1 to 1,000 leverage, but they do, right? They are fully integrated with TradeLocker, a modern, clean, high-performance platform. Now, a lot of people are still stuck in the past wanting to use MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, but I'm gonna make a YouTube video talking about that because it's actually getting like really annoying. It's like people still asking, hey, when is iPhone gonna bring back the iPhone 4, the iPhone 5, the iPhone 6? Yo, it's past. It was a trash, garbage platform. TradeLocker is the future. It really, really is. It is the best trading platform. It's basically imagine like TradingView. Everybody knows TradingView. Take TradingView and basically make have Ferrari and Lamborghini have a baby. That's TradeLocker. It is literally the future, and it is ranked, right? So if you go to TradeLocker's website, look at this, astronaut. astronaut. You're starting to see a pattern here. You're starting to see a pattern. If you go here and you go to their brokers, Gates FX is literally right there. So you can see Gates FX literally becoming the number one. It is ranked the number one on TradeLocker's official list. Not just some random offshore setup, okay? So again, this isn't just a switch. It is a full upgrade to a more stable, scalable foundation. So ultimately, guys, my final thoughts, look, brokers shut down, right? Just like, you know, KLT4X, Osprey, now 24K markets. You know, this can be very, very frustrating, but like they say, as one door closes, another door opens. But you know, this is also a great wake-up call. So if you are serious about trading and you can't afford to park your money with the platforms that might disappear on you next month, then I strongly recommend using Gates FX, using my link. Because again, if you use my link, you're going to get free money. So it's a no-brainer, right? Ultimately, you need to protect your capital and set yourself up, again, with a broker that actually wants to see you win. And eventually, I'm going to make a YouTube video talking and showing you guys proof of basically me withdrawing. You comment below on how much you want to see me withdraw. Do you want to see me withdraw $10,000, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100? You comment below on what you want to see me withdraw, and I will make a live video of me withdrawing real funds, because it's easy. A lot of people will just talk and blah, 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 you know, talk shit, but who's actually trading, who's actually withdrawing? So again, click the link in the description, claim your 100% deposit bonus. DM me if you guys have any questions or need help switching over. The link to the free Discord group chat is below this YouTube video. Make sure you guys subscribe, use your finger, subscribe to the channel. That's all I ask. Subscribe, stay ready, stay funded, and let's keep building together. I'll see you in the next one.